race is on to transform your digital business into an AI enterprise. Organizations in every industry are using AI and deep learning to advance science and revolutionize business. So, how do you get started? You can do it yourself by piecing together your own system out of hardware and software from various sources. This may seem cost-effective, but the setup and tuning of a high-performance system takes resources and would require a team of experts. You're in the business of innovation and discovery, but with a DIY system, you will spend your time installing, configuring, and troubleshooting. NVIDIA DGX-1 is the essential instrument of AI research, optimized for deep learning and analytics, purpose-built to deliver insights faster than ever before. From day one, it comes fully integrated with GPU-optimized deep learning frameworks, tools, and libraries. Paired with the simplicity of NVIDIA GPU Cloud, experimentation, scaling, and collaboration are fast and easy. DGX-1 extends the power of deep learning with predictable performance that scales. And NVIDIA's deep learning expertise gives you peace of mind, protecting your investment with software updates and enterprise-class support. Spend less time managing your system and more time innovating with AI and NVIDIA DGX-1.